my name is Brigitte from BK Makes. I'm running a group called Let's Grow Flax. And we are all growing a patch of flax in our gardens. We've continued to welcome new members and share the flax fun. Why not join us? Flax has a short crop cycle of just 3 months. 2 square meters can yield enough fiber to make a linen towel. Whether you want to spin your flax, weave it, dye it, every grower decides what their flax will become. If you join us, from April 26, you will receive a step-by-step online guidance through every stage: sowing, growing, harvesting, retting, and preparing your flax for use. 4 online sessions will guide you through the process over 6 months, and you'll become part of a supportive, friendly community of growers and makers. We also work with a micro spinning mill that will help with the spinning, so you don't need to do everything by hand unless you want to. Alongside the online program, you can join hands-on in-person workshops who focus on processing and practicing your textile skills: spinning, weaving, and natural dyeing. Let's Grow Flax is for people who want to reconnect with materials and understand how cloth begins. This is a return to slow textiles, spending time outdoors, working with plants, and learning new skills brings well-being alongside practical knowledge. Join us this April 2026 and grow your own cloth.